Do you know that you can use your scrap fabric to create very beautiful outfits? Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Juliet. So in today's video, I am going to be making this scrap fabric that I will use to sew a very beautiful blazer. If you're interested, please keep on watching. This will be a first part to a three-part series. So we're going to be preparing the fabric here, and then we'll drop the pattern in the next video and then sew it in the other video. So I am cutting out my fabric into six, so a square, a perfect square of 6 inches each, 6 inches on this side, 6 inches on this other side, and then I mark 6 inches again, and then we cut out. So the fabric is going to be 6 inches wide. This is not standard. You may want your scrap to be rectangles instead of squares. You may want your squares smaller, but this is perfect for me. So I selected some of my scrap fabric as you saw in the beginning. I am going to be cutting all of them into squares of 6 inches. So here I'm just making sure that it's straight. It's not really looking straight, so I'm making sure that one part is not bigger, because if it's not straight it may affect the joining later on. So after marking, I'm going to cut this. This is going to serve as our pattern. So I'll be using this now to cut all the remaining pieces. So every piece that is wide enough to accommodate this square, I just place it over and cut, and then mark the wrong side. I'm making sure that the wrong side is marked. These pieces are two, that is why I'm marking twice, so they are folded into two right sides together. So this is how I keep placing the template and then cutting until I cut out all that I need. Making sure I'm marking the wrong side, because by the time you have only these tiny pieces, it's going to be very hard to tell which side is the good side or which side is the wrong side. So I keep placing and cutting until I cut all of my fabric. So I want to make a blazer with this scrap, this patch fabric that I'm making, and I want my blazer to be about 30 to, let's say, 34 inches in length. It's going to be a long one. So for that I have 6 inches here, so I'm going to be joining it six, like 6 inches, six of these pieces together. Like I'm going to join it on a row, six of them, so that way we have 6 sixes, which will give us about that something. Then the rest will be joined and you will see. So I'm going to arrange it like so, six of them, making sure that they're not matching, like you're not putting the same type of fabric together on a roll of that six. So I place them like so, go sew the six together and then sew another six together, making sure that they are not together. See the way I'm arranging the second batch, making sure that the red fabric is not sitting where the other red fabric is sitting, but you're not joining all together. Just join six, 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 all until all of them are exhausted. Then I'll come back and show you the next step. And make sure to join right sides together. So after joining 6 6, this is what I have. So now we are going to carry the six and place on another six right sides together and go sew, making sure that they are not matching. Look at how that one was the same, so you arrange them such that they are not together. The upper part of this one is still matching with the other side. So as you're sewing, you're observing, and then as you go, and after that I have a long piece that is you can see on the screen right now. Just iron smoothly. We will set this aside now while we draft the pattern for the blazer in the next video. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.